So we are going to see like how we are going to install IBM Cognos Analytics. Maybe I can rephrase it. We are not going to install, but we are going to, you can say, um, get the, you can say, cloud version enabled, so that it will be easy for us to, you can say, practice creating reports, dashboards, and use I can say the cloud version of IBM Cognos to understand the basics of IBM Cognos Analytics 12 version. So first we'll go to Google and we'll just we'll look for IBM Cognos Analytics free trial. And this is the first link where we'll be getting IBM Cognos Analytics. This link is coming from ibm.com. So we'll just go to this link over here. And as we can see, this is the link which is going to open here, and here it is the option we can see in this site, try it for free. So we can just select try it for free. So it is like basic, this is an IBM website, you can say, and if you go, it will have most of the things explained over here. All the information like basic overview thing, or features, or different tools, pricing, support, and a lot of things are there in this IBM website. This is a bit, you can say, helpful website for IBM, you can say. So in this case, we'll just go and select try it for free. So they provide a, I can say, free account for, you can say, 30 days, you can say, 30 days. So we need to provide email ID, for example, abc@gmail.com, or any email ID. You can provide it over here, and we can provide the password which we need for this, you can say, account to be added. We can also sign in with a Google account. We can provide our first name, like my first name is ABC, for example, and I can have my second name, you can say, in this case, like maybe XYZ. I can select the country, which country I am based out of, you can say, and I can provide a mobile number in this case. Like I can provide my mobile number over here in this case. So once I have selected all the options, I can select the company name and area of responsibility. That means like this is what is the domain I am connected to, we can say. Why it is asking this all information to make sure the examples or samples which is related to this, you can say, field. For example, I'm selecting maintenance management. So maybe the packages or the environment it will be providing, it will be relevant to this maintenance management actually. Then I need to select the data center. So data center is, like, you can say, where our reports and dashboards will be saved. So you can select any data center. It is not going to make any difference in your operation of the reports or design of the reports. It is very simple. You can select any data center of your own, you can say. Now we'll just select the US East Washington DC. You can select any out of it, you can say. And I just have to select the job title. It is not an optional. It is optional to select whether you want to subscribe to what's new in IBM, you can say, newsletter. If you want to see the updates, you can select it, or else you can leave it as blank. And then we can go for the next option. Now we need to go to the next step, and we have to provide this token. Now here it will show you that is the third step, and third step it is showing us setting up now. The environment is being prepared, the backend, and it is showing us we are setting up your product now in 15 minutes. And it will take like 15 minutes, maybe before that also your product may get ready. Now if you see, you might have received an email saying that your registration is successful and your IBM ID is activated. So as you can see, you can scroll down, you get a window over here saying that IBM Cognos Analytics and Cloud Trial upgrade options activation is in progress. So different people can have different timings on this. Like sometimes it takes seconds to get activated, and sometimes it takes minutes actually. So we'll just refresh it. We'll refresh this page, we'll see, and it is showing us it is active, and it is going to expire in, I can say, 10th of March, 30 days from now. We'll just make sure we'll refresh again. So once it is activated, you can say, we'll get the launch option. So we'll just wait for a few more seconds. As you can see, we're in the same page, and here I can see this launch button is activated now. That means I can my environment is ready and I can use Cognos Analytics on cloud trial version for 30 days. I select this launch button over here, and you see now when different window is open from here, and I'll be redirected to the environment where I can start using IBM Cognos Analytics for free, can say. It will take few seconds based on your network speed. And here we go. This is the environment of Cognos Analytics activated. So we are good with this. Our Cognos account is set up. And as we can see, this is 30 days trial activated, and it will show you the countdown every day till it is completed. And this is our environment up and running now. So all the best. That is all for this session, setting up the Cognos Analytics setup.